Everybody swears you got to be rich to own a franchise. They think you need a trust fund, six figures in the bank, and a Harvard degree. I am here to tell you that that is cap. I'm going to show y'all how broke people, regular people, normal people can get into franchising in 2025. And no, I'm not talking about scams or magic tricks, just straight strategies that actually work. Buying an existing location is the first hack. Don't ever buy it from scratch. Buy an existing location. A lot of franchise owners burn out, they retire, or they just don't want to run their store anymore. Instead of dropping 500K plus on a new building, you can step into a location that's already running, and sometimes you can get it for half the cost, maybe even 25% of the cost. The best part about it is day one, you got revenue coming in instead of waiting a whole year just to open. Think about it, you're making money off back. Before I get into strategy number two, I want you to look at it this way. Being broke in business is like showing up to a cookout without food. If you show up empty handed, but you help on the grill, bring good energy, and even wash some dishes, they're going to let you eat. That's the franchise game. If you don't got all the money, you can still get in the game, but you have to bring value, whether it's hustle, management skills, or partnership skills, but you have to bring something. So don't be lazy. Strategy two, partnerships. Partnerships. It's the second hack. You don't even need to own 100% of the pie to get rich. I need y'all to understand that. Pool money with friends, family, or even investors. Maybe you run the store while your partner puts up the cash. That's how a lot of first time owners make it happen. A lot of these people do not come in with 100% of the money off top. And these can be some of the most rich and successful people. Remember, it's better to own 30% of something that's profitable than 100% of nothing. Stop being bougie, put your feelings to the side, and get to work. Strategy number three, funding hacks. Yes, some of y'all know about SBA loans, but a lot of y'all don't. SBA loans will let you get in with 10 to 15% down. But hold on, it gets a lot better. Some sellers nowadays will even finance part of the deal themselves. So if you want to buy an existing location from somebody to help you get through the door, they will help you with the financing. Do not sleep on it, but you got to open your mouth and you got to talk. And franchisors in 2025, at least some of them, they are dropping the fees just to expand. Real talk, if you can qualify for a car loan, you might be able to qualify for a business loan. The difference is when you drive off the lot with that car, it's going to lose value. But a franchise, that feeds kids forever. You got to be smart about this, but you got to network and you got to talk. But here's the key in all this. Your credit got to be right. If your credit's not right, you are not going to get that franchise. So focus on your credit. Strategy number four, you have to target emerging brands. Stop chasing the McDonald's, the Taco Bells, and the big dogs. Those are already expensive. Look for emerging franchises, the ones that are starting to blow up. Fees are a lot lower, buy-in cost is a lot lighter, and franchisors are way more flexible with first-time owners because they're hungry to grow. It's kind of like a partnership. They're new, you're new. Think of it like buying a house in the neighborhood before it gets gentrified. You lock in cheap, and when the brand blows up nationwide, your little $50,000 investment might be worth $500,000. It's all about playing it smart. That's how you really get rich. That's how you really take over the game. Look, here's the truth in all this. Being broke is temporary. It's all a mindset. Ownership is permanent. Do not let a bank account tell you who you are. It does not define you and it does not predict your future. So you are not broke. You're pre-rich. Have that mindset. Franchising is the elevator out the struggle. So stop climbing the stairs and find the elevator and push the button and step inside. But you have to be realistic. You got to start networking today. You got to start trying today. I'm Scholar Paycheck. See you on the next one. Yo.